Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we'll see one error which is facing on the command prompt. So first of all, let's see that error. So when you are trying to change the directory, that time you are getting this error, that is system cannot find the path specified. So for this, first we need to just close this command prompt and create one new folder here. I'll give name as test data. Now select this folder, right click and go to properties. So here you can see the location for this path. So before desktop we have one other folder. It is an existing, that is OneDrive. So before we are doing a CD drive, we need to do OneDrive. So again open the command prompt and now type cd and paste your folder name. Maybe you have the another name, but for me it's OneDrive, and just hit enter. Now you can see we have moved to file and then drive. Then we have to move to desktop. Then again type cd desktop. So it is moved to desktop. So in this way you can resolve this issue.